We hope you will enjoy Energy Navigator's introductory video to Value Navigator. Value Navigator is our complete integrated evaluation system that combines rigorous engineering tools for forecasting, economic analysis, reporting, reserves management, budget, and risk analysis. Here's the challenge. In order to make an informed decision on a property, you need to evaluate the data set fast. First of all, Value Navigator offers a portability that allows you to install and be up and running instantly. For example, the ability to create personal project files means you can start working on a database without needing a database server. For a larger corporate solution, you can also run against Oracle or SQL Server databases. Begin your evaluation by importing data from the data room into Value Navigator. Once you have your data in Value Navigator, you're ready to access all the features in the application that will help you perform your evaluation. Managing your well information has never been easier with the Well Views tab. The tab shows data about many wells at once in an easy-to-use grid format. In this example, we have sorted by remaining oil to find top 80% producers in this dataset and filter to them to make further updates easier. We can mark these big producers in a custom field as such and set up our hierarchy to allow us to easily report on what we might decide is our high-end bid and our low-end bid for the property. Another way of viewing large datasets in Value Navigator is with our integrated Map View tab. Just click on the Map View tab and the locations of all your entities will be plotted on the map. From here, you can select any entity in the Explorer and see it highlighted on the map, and vice versa. Select the wells you're currently evaluating, go to the Visualization tab, and choose a field to bubble. In this case, we are interested in the oil reserves, so by applying the bubbles and returning to the map view, we get an instant overview of the relative ultimate reserves possible from this dataset. Now that you understand the big picture about the data set you're evaluating, it is time to look into the details. Value Navigator is renowned for the ease with which you can draw forecasts and do auto-forecasting. This is not only a huge time saver, but it also makes your workflows more productive and efficient. We imported the seller's evaluation into our PDP case, so we can now perform our own evaluation in the PUD case. An easy way to begin your evaluation is to let Value Navigator give a quick auto-forecast. This is accomplished with Value Navigator's exclusive interpretation of the history, and we offer many ways to further edit the auto-forecast if you need to make modifications. By looking at a different graph, we can easily visualize the wedge and see the difference between the seller's estimates and ours. The data came with a cost entered in the cases which we've accepted to use for our PUD case, so we're now ready to view reports on our evaluation and begin determining a reasonable range of bids. Reporting in Value Navigator is a breeze with over 100 pre-built reports available. To view the wedge for the case we just created, just click on the Reports tab. The Economic Summary report makes it easy to report on the wedge between the seller's forecast and ours. In this situation, we notice a surprise upside to the forecast we created using Value Navigator. Because we have configured our hierarchy to match our reporting requirements, by clicking on the folder we can now show the wedge report for the entire area or for the high producers versus the total dataset to help us establish our potential bids for the land sale. Challenge met. You are now ready to make an informed bid on the property up for sale. Thank you for taking the time to view our video. The presented workflow shows just a few examples of the many great features available to you in Value Navigator. More than 260 of North America's top oil and gas producers use Value Navigator for an integrated approach to reserves management, economic and cash flow analysis, and evaluations. Energy Navigator provides innovative asset management workflow solutions, expertise, and support to the oil and gas industry. We will help you find a better way.